Someone asked me one time, what's the hardest thing about being a police officer? They were asking me, is it, the gunfights, the arrests, the speed chases, you name it. I said, no, that's not it. You go from, a little kid's birthday party at some friend's or relative's house. The atmosphere is happy and, glad. And then within 20 minutes, you're standing in a call where there's carnage everywhere, and it's just unimaginable. Some of these calls that we go to and live through. So it's the emotion part. So you're feeling good, and next thing you know, you're traumatized. Essentially, what it is. So you go from that point of happiness all the way to just now you have to go into a mode of thinking logically and rely on your training and experience just to get through those events. That's the hardest part of that job.